Very nice today on the 25th of April 2025, and we have Ydrevägen nice tickets to be here in Tranås, Jönköping County, Sweden. The capacity is 4 persons, trains and backgrounds. This building dates back to 1964, but the elevator is ready in the early 1990s.
Yeah.
It also is still here, but inside is still
Yeah.
6 floors here, but the base was locked up.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Yeah, maybe one right.
because it's locked here.
Yeah.
And we don't have enough time. Number.
Yeah.
It's 0101883.
Yeah. Inspired by Kiwais, that maintained by Norixis.
Unfortunately, the staircase C is bad and with generics.
Yeah.
But staircase A is still original.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much.